Welcome back to the craft station for day 3. Today we will be making a paper airplane to show that Jesus' power helps us to be bold. Trust Jesus. The only thing you'll need today is an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. Feel free to make as many as you like. Let's get started.
So I have my materials here. There will be 2 airplanes for you to choose from. There will be this one and this one. If there is a specific airplane you'd like to make, click the time description below. So the first airplane we'll be making is this jet right here. So to begin, any paper will work as long as it's a rectangle, and ideally you can use an 8.5 by 11 piece of paper. So to start, we are going to fold this paper in half hot dog wise. And after you do that, we are going to unfold it. After you unfold the paper, we are going to take this top edge and fold it into the center. And we'll do that to the other corner also. Now that we've done that, what we are going to do is we are going to fold this paper in half hamburger style, but we are going to fold it so that the triangle hangs off a little bit. And so you can check that by turning it around and lining it up with the center line. Once we've done that, we are going to do another fold upwards, like this, and you are going to line it up with this line right here. For the next step, we are going to turn it around. What we are going to do is we are going to taking this top line and lining it up to the center. And you'll notice that there is this piece that wants to come along, and what you're going to do is you are just going to fold it down. And do that to the other side as well. And to continue, we are going to turn this around. And now we can fold the airplane in half this way. And now we're going to create the wings. And so we are going to fold down like this. This part is up to you. You can make it as low or as high as you want. We'll do the other side as well. To finish it off, we're going to add some extra tip at the end. So we're just going to fold it down like this, and to the other side as well. And there you go. For the second airplane, what we are going to do is we're going to start with the same step, which is fold it in half hot dog style. Then you unfold it, and we're going to grab the top and fold it into the center. We'll do the same thing with the other side. So the next step we are going to do is we are going to fold this top point into right there. Like that. And the next step we are going to fold this paper down with this line right there. So that'll look like this. Then after that, we are going to fold this top into the center like we did earlier. And with the last airplane, we are also going to fold it backwards like this in half and fold down to make the wings. And to finish off our airplane, we're just going to add some tails on top like with the last airplane. And there you have it. So let's talk a bit about how this paper airplane relates to how Peter and John healed a lame man in the Bible story. Peter and John were bold because they had Jesus' power on their side. Your paper airplane cannot fly without you holding it and giving it the power that it needs to take off. In that same way, without Jesus, we can't go any further than we are now, or be as bold as we are. And so, I challenge you, go outside and try flying your airplanes. That's it for today's craft. We're halfway through the week. We'll see you guys tomorrow.